What's up guys, Shehbaz here. So the third life of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra recent design has appeared on the network. Third life, I mean the third design of the Samsung Galaxy S22. Another designer showed his vision of the future flagship Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. The controversial flowing camera was turned out into an original island, similar to the Galaxy A32. Designers continue to offer various versions of the main camera of the future flagship Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. It's just that the original version with a flowing camera seemed to many to be very unsuccessful, after which a version with the two blocks appeared. It looks more organic. And now another option has appeared. The designer presented the Galaxy S22 Ultra camera with island modules. Each of them rises above the body on its own. There is no common block. The camera in the Galaxy A32 is solved in a similar way. The paradox of the Galaxy S22 Ultra flowing camera is that it seems to be imposed by the manufacturers of covers, while another camera can fit into the cutout of this very cover, both with two blocks and with island modules. In fact, this is the main intrigue of the Galaxy S22 Ultra. At the moment, there are at least 3 camera options, and it is completely unclear which of them will be launched in this race. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy S22 and the Galaxy S22 Plus will indeed be smaller than the current generation models. All Galaxy S22 showed on CAD renders. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra presented with a dripping camera. CAD renders of the promising flagship Samsung Galaxy S22. Galaxy S22 Plus, it is designated by the prefix Pro, and the Galaxy S22 Ultra have appeared on the network. The images are remarkable in that they show the exact dimensions of the smartphones and even camera units. This makes it easy to match the dimensions of promising models with those of the current generation. As you can see, the Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S22 Plus will indeed be more compact than the Galaxy S21 and the Galaxy S21 Plus, while the Galaxy S22 Ultra will be inferior only in length, but it will become wider and thicker. Also, the render very well demonstrates the compartment in the Galaxy S22 Ultra case for storing the stylus and the irregularly shaped main camera unit. Recall, according to rumors, the production of the Samsung Galaxy S22 smartphones will start in November, and the official premiere and start of sales are expected in January 2022. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.